you or loved ones suffer from bad genes?
Are you miserable 24/7?
Do you suffer from diseases such as cancer, heart disease, or diabetes? Well, let me tell you, you need genetherapy.co.
Gene therapy is your ticket to a happy, healthy life.
A complicated and expensive process of replacing or modifying a faulty gene with a healthy gene to treat or cure disease.
But if you buy our product, we can get rid of your disease. You have cancer.
Oh no, what do I do?
Don't worry, you can get gene therapy.
What even is gene therapy? You thought about it?
Don't worry. In 1990, W. French Anderson performed the very first gene therapy on a very sick girl, and it was successful.
And there are different types of gene therapy. Gene addition is a one-time treatment that would go in a functional copy of the missing or faulty gene, so they can replace the bad gene and effectively make proteins that they previously couldn't make.
And then there's post-transcriptional gene silencing. This is the process where the gene will go in and inactivate specific mRNAs to prevent the expression of a gene. When mRNA is knocked down, it can't make any proteins as it did before. This type of method is used more to combat cancer and sickle cell disease.
Then there's gene editing. This is used to remove or change specific sections of DNA. It will go in and cut out the specific spots of the DNA where the malfunction is happening. By changing and disrupting these sequences, the gene editing can lead to permanent genetic changes.
Then the last one is base editing. This is where it targets a single point mutation in a genetic code, and this can help silence a disease-causing gene or help activate a specific gene.
What all these therapies have in common is that the genetic material gets delivered in a genetically engineered vector that carries the genetic material that gets used. The vectors that are used are modified viruses and are not infectious because they target cells which are much more efficient to delivering the new genes.
So what type of gene therapy will I undergo?
We will use post-transcriptional gene silencing to cure your cancer. With genetherapy.co, you can get it for the low price of $3 million, but some of it isn't covered by insurance.
That's great. Wait, how much?
Side effects may include inflammation, toxicity, infection, gene errors, risk of allergic reactions, risk of cancer, risk of damage to organs or skin tissue, a negative immune system reaction, complications from accidentally targeting the wrong cells, adverse effects associated with inserted genetic material, and unexpected gene expression.
If you call now, you can get our product 1% off, no refunds. Order online at www.genetherapy.com and call 111-222-333 to order.